Hello everyone. In the COVID era, we are getting lots of mature white cataracts, mostly intumescence and Morgaggian cataract. As we all know that in intumescent cataract, there is a liquefaction of cortical matter and it is associated with raised intralenticular pressure. And performing a controlled capsular access is always difficult and unpredictable. In my previous video, I have shown a method to decompress the raised intralenticular pressure where I used a blunt cannula to irrigate inside the bag to expel out the trapped cortical matter and liquefied cortex. Today in this video, I'll show another way to decompress which I found very successful. Always stain the anticapsule with Japan blue dye and fill the chamber with high viscosity viscoelastic. Never compromise in the selection of the viscoelastics. Make a small nick right in the center. Do not try to enlarge it with the needle. Ensure the tightness of the antechamber, fill it properly with viscoelastic and then try to make a small baby size capsular access with the help of a Otrata forceps. Then with the more exposed irrigation tip, place it in the center of the baby access and then tap the nucleus posteriorly to release the fluid present behind the nucleus. Try to aspirate the fluid and the cortical matter present at the center. One can use the same parameters which we use for the cortical matter aspiration during our normal phacos. One can also go underneath the capsule for the safe cortical matter aspiration. Do not try to catch the capsule. Fill the antechamber tightly with the high viscosity viscoelastic. At this point of time, this anticapsule becomes concave. Make a nick at the capsular margin and try to extend the controlled capsular access in serpiginous manner with the forceps. Now we have a decent size around 5 mm of capsular access. Few tips to achieve more success in handling the capsule in such cataract. Always use high viscosity viscoelastics. Do not compromise in it. Always puncture the anticapsule in the center and try to achieve a small baby size access of 1 or 2 mm. Do not go towards the mid-periphery because the impact of raised lenticular pressure is always higher at the mid-periphery and the chances of getting Argentinian flag signs are very high. Personally, I prefer to make moderate size capsular access in such cataracts because in white cataracts they are often soft and eventually one can do more phaco work inside the bag to protect the corneal endothelium. Now time for cortical cleanup. Here you can do it liberally, and because the posterior capsule was clear and shiny, so I filled the chamber with high viscosity viscoelastic and implanted the single piece implant in the bag. Now in the presence of IOL, one can judge the size of capsular access, which is around 4 or 4.5 mm. So I made a small nick and extended the access to the size which is covering the edges of IOL all around. If we plan the case properly and if we make a strategy in our mind, then definitely difficult cataract can be managed beautifully without much of the stress. I hope this video might be useful for you for your future surgeries. Thanks for watching.